The 2025 Dacia Dokker Motorhome stands as one of the most intentionally designed micro-camping vehicles for people who want to experience freedom on the road without spending huge amounts of money or taking responsibility for an extremely large RV. And the most interesting part about this model is that it comes from the foundation of the original Dacia Dokker platform, which was praised for practicality, modular conversions, easy mechanical access, and a body dimension that sits perfectly between a family MPV and a small commercial van, because this size allows users to enjoy two lifestyles at the same time. One where the vehicle is used daily for commuting, groceries, college runs, and city travel, and another where the same vehicle transforms into a fully working micro motorhome with sleeping space, a kitchen arrangement, personal storage, portable utilities, and long-distance driving ability, all within a compact body. The 2025 Dokker Motorhome is built with an approach that says, simplicity is convenience, meaning nothing inside this camper is overly complicated, nothing requires long-term usage training, and nothing inside demands specialized tools or maintenance knowledge, which is why the Dokker is extremely popular among first-time micro motorhome owners, digital nomads, adventure couples, and people who simply want to exit the boundaries of traditional city life for a weekend without investing in expensive hotels, large caravans, or payments that stretch beyond affordability. Mechanically, the Dokker retains engines that are known for durability rather than show-off power, and these options include the 1.5 Blue DCI diesel variant, recognized across the Renault Dacia lineup for quiet torque delivery, long-range capabilities, and high-efficiency ratios, which matter especially when the vehicle is fully packed with camping gear, bedding cushions, accessories, and food supplies, because a motorhome's weight increases rapidly once storage compartments are filled, making torque distribution crucial on hilly inclines, repeatedly accelerating highway stretches, uneven terrain, or countryside roads, where the diesel engine ensures the Dokker does not feel slow or stressed. People who prefer a smoother city-based driving experience lean toward the 1.3 TCE petrol turbo option, which has a quieter cabin feel, lighter acceleration response, and an overall stable control balance that makes daily commuting comfortable, especially when operating through narrow urban streets or markets where big camper vans often become a parking challenge, because the Dokker fits into traditional parking slots without needing extended space or trailer-style maneuvering. One reason the Dokker Motorhome feels different from other small-sized camper conversions is its square-shaped cargo area, which allows interior engineers to use modular designs that resemble puzzle pieces, where everything folds, slides, rotates, and disappears into hidden flooring sections or wall cabinets, allowing the user to convert the vehicle from a seating layout into a sleeping arrangement within minutes, without complicated mechanisms. Certain conversion companies provide sliding table boards that attach to seating panels, allowing users to create an indoor dining platform, which works particularly well when it is raining and outdoor cooking is not an option, while other conversions add a removable tailgate-style table for outdoor dining setups during camping situations, where a canopy, external light, foldable chairs, and portable burner combine to form what feels like an outdoor restaurant. The sleeping bed area often occupies the rear segment of the vehicle and allows one or two adults to rest comfortably in a full stretch posture without bending knees, which is uncommon in compact campers, because traditional hatchback-based campers cannot provide straight-line sleeping due to the roof length and trunk-to-seat limitations, whereas the Dokker stretches long enough that even taller travelers remain fully aligned. The kitchen arrangement is intentionally minimal, not aviation-grade luxurious, but highly functional, containing a mini sink, a drip-style water tap, a small burner stove, or an induction cooktop depending on user preference, along with a portable compact refrigerator that runs through vehicle charging or separate auxiliary power. Water tank capacity in the Dokker camper ranges approximately between 40 and 60 liters, which sounds minimal, but is efficiently usable when combined with collapsible cookware, single-pot recipes, instant boiling, and travel-friendly ingredients such as noodles, rice cups, eggs, tea packs, and pre-seasoned canned products. The Dokker makes camp cooking more enjoyable for beginners because all of it stays within reach, making the kitchen area ideal for spontaneous meals. Electricity delivery within the camper setup frequently includes LED strips, USB charging stations, overhead spotlights, and optional solar integration placed on the roof, which allows the vehicle to operate small electrical needs without staying attached to powered campsites, meaning, theoretically, a user could park near a lakeside, forest edge, mountain valley, or coastal location and independently power lighting, phone charging, laptop operation, and ventilation fans for extended durations. Storage capacity within the Dokker camper is designed using vertical logic. Rather than wide drawers, engineers use upward sections like overhead racks, side pockets, wall-mounted elastic nets, and flat-board compartments beneath the sleeping area, where people can store footwear, toiletries, electrical cables, portable chargers, toolkits, towels, jackets, and food boxes, making the Dokker surprisingly roomy for what is technically a compact van. Another strength is that none of these storage areas interfere with passenger movement, meaning users can access their belongings even when the bed is deployed or when cooking equipment is set up, which minimizes daily rearranging stress. Driving the Dokker motorhome feels dramatically different from driving a bulky van conversion because the Dokker does not suffer from high center of gravity swaying, nor does it create loud vibration echoes inside the cabin. Instead, it moves like a small MPV, offering tight steering radius, quick turn capability, and parking ease. The Dokker is front-wheel drive, and though that means the vehicle is not suitable for muddy hill paths, rocky riverbeds, or snow-grade trails, it performs sufficiently on paved winding roads, village roads, countryside dirt patches, and long highway travel stretches. The aerodynamic shape helps reduce wind drag, meaning fewer stability corrections at higher speeds. The front cabin also provides full visibility through a large windshield area and wide glass coverage on both sides, giving drivers more confidence on narrow bridge entries, crowded toll plazas, rural lanes, and gas station exits. Many motorhome owners appreciate the Dokker most when traveling to scenic landscapes that require crossing between urban districts and remote areas, because big vans often consume heavy fuel loads while idling or waiting in traffic, whereas the Dokker consumes fuel almost like an ordinary passenger vehicle, allowing long stretches to be covered using affordable fuel budgets. The Dokker camper's greatest selling point is psychological rather than mechanical. It gives people permission to leave home anytime without planning expensive accommodation, and without scheduling overpacked travel itineraries because the bed is already in the vehicle, the kitchen is already present, and the storage space is ready, meaning users do not mentally restrict themselves to hotel check-ins, check-outs, bookings, deposits, or tour bills. The Dokker offers freedom in its most basic form: drive, stop, rest, eat, continue. That is the main reason young travelers love it. Additionally, unlike giant RVs, which require dedicated maintenance garages, the Dokker can be serviced at normal workshops that handle Renault or Dacia vehicles, meaning spare part availability remains affordable and widespread. People who previously believed motorhomes are complicated often discover the Dokker breaks that stereotype, because the Dokker camper is not a moving luxury house. Instead, it is a moving lifestyle unit that offers the essentials required for mobility, exploration, and personal calmness. The vehicle's compactness also allows trip spontaneity. For example, one can finish evening classes or office work, pack a small bag, store quick fix groceries like bread, eggs, noodles, and coffee, and simply travel to a lakeside parking zone, open the tailgate, boil water, make hot tea, watch sunsets, sleep inside the vehicle, and return next morning refreshed, all without booking anything. Another emotional advantage is that the Dokker creates memories that last much longer than typical hotel room experiences, because every meal feels earned, every view feels personal, and every resting place belongs to the traveler. The Dokker camper becomes an extension of one's personality rather than just a transportation cabin. From a functional perspective, long-term living inside it is possible but requires discipline, organization, and folding routines, because users must convert bed into seating and seating into bed daily, especially when working or cooking. However, this is common across micro motorhomes worldwide. Some people attach side awnings to create external shade zones, enabling cooking outside, making more interior room free, especially when two people travel at once. The Dokker's flexibility makes it ideal for weekend trips, cross-country student tours, seasonal travel, short-distance vacations, and post-exam travel journeys. Mechanically, the Dokker does not feel fragile even when loaded because of its strong structure originally designed for cargo loads. That means support beams, hinge joints, and floor reinforcement can handle the camper setup easily. Many van conversions become noisy with rattles and squeaks, but the Dokker is structurally quiet because storage panels fit tightly, and weight is spread evenly on both sides. In terms of long-term reliability, diesel engines offer higher kilometer potential, making the vehicle ideal for people who want multi-country road travel. The petrol engine is better for people who remain mostly inside cities but occasionally explore. Regardless of engine type, maintenance costs remain lower than other motorhome categories. The Dokker Motorhome is not for families of 4 or 5 who need a built-in bathroom or full-sized kitchen, but for couples, friends, solo travelers, remote freelancers, content creators, nature explorers, and those who enjoy non-crowded destinations. It fits perfectly. It may not carry luxury interior materials, marble-like counters, or fancy electronic screens, but what it carries instead is usability, comfort, autonomy, and sanity, which often matter more. When measured from a design purpose view, the Dokker camper is meant to give access, not extravagance, freedom, not dependency, quiet travel, not heavy logistics, and that balance makes it one of the most responsibly built compact motorhomes available in its category.